Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with SmartAsset for tax estimates. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with SmartAsset for tax estimates, start by opening your web browser. Type in the SmartAsset website URL in the address bar and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Started button, typically located at the top of the page. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a page where you can input your basic information. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address in the designated fields. Next, create a secure password that meets the website's requirements. After filling in your information, review the terms of service and privacy policy provided. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance of these terms. Then, click the Sign Up or Register button to proceed. You will likely receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once confirmed, return to the SmartAsset website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Now, navigate to the section dedicated to tax estimates. You may be prompted to answer a series of questions related to your financial situation. Provide accurate information to ensure your tax estimate is as precise as possible. Once you have completed the questionnaire, submit your responses. In a few moments, you will receive your tax estimate based on the information provided. Review the estimate carefully to understand your potential tax liability. If needed, you can adjust your inputs for a more tailored estimate. That's it. You are now registered with SmartAsset and have a personalized tax estimate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.